It's cold out here today, y'all. I've been getting some free alerts, the free stuff alert. There was something I wanted to look at last night, but it was kind of late. We're gonna hope it's here in the morning. It's about 4 miles away from me. We'll check it out. Get old Blue out there on the road. We're gonna put some scrap metal in the back. Yeah, but they threw this back here, but look at that. Yeah. Red. And I got my stainless steel sink in there still. That's been about a week ago. Yeah, we haven't really drove the truck a whole lot because something's drawing power off the battery when it's shut off. So I got to disconnect the battery every time, you know, if it sits too long. I'm guessing a few hours or more. We're gonna find out what that is as soon as I get my overtime check. We're working overtime. As soon as I get my overtime check, we're gonna take it to the mechanic. So on the way looking for scrap, we found scrap. Imagine that. I didn't film it because I had to pull up in the driveway because there was no way I was going to pull it on the side of the road here. You know, this is a main road, so I'm not going to pull off to the side. I pulled in the drive. Whew. I was only in the drive for like 5 minutes. I thought I was going to have to put that thing back. It was a washer that had water in it that was frozen. It was heavy. That dude was heavy. We got her though. We got it. It's supposed to be right here up on the right.
Is on your right. 5325 North Bussard Avenue.
And it looks like somebody grabbed some stuff already.
Arrived.
Looks like an empty house, but we got a humidifier. It's a little Romex. Here, humidifier thingy. Take it. Oh no, we don't want to get stuck in the snow, everybody. Shoot, let's start here. Let's start here by stopping here. Knowing my luck, we'll get stuck over here. Trying to cut through. Try to cut through, we'll get stuck. That's my luck. Let's see what we got here. We got ourselves an empty can. Somewhat empty. All right. We'll come back. We'll be back. This other one though is like really full. So let's go look at that. And we about got stuck over there. We about got stuck over there. Almost. Look at that, we got some metal in the road here. What else we got going on over here? Looks like a truck backed in. Maybe been a little stuck. Maybe a little bit. Some wires in there. Look at that. There is some wires in there. Okay, check that. So somebody may have got some good stuff. Look, they left their knife here and everything. Look at that. Whatever it was, man, they really dug in and got it. Well, I'm getting into. We got a little bit of number 2. It's cat wire. Found this box. It had these dudes in it. Made in the USA, and they threw them away. What? Made in the USA, and they threw it away. That's USA for you. Let's get this crap unloaded. Here we are, right across the street. And I was coming out right across the street, and I saw this. There's another oven. Wall unit. Inside the wall unit, I'm thinking. It's a small boy. Dual exhaust is gonna kill me. Let's do it. Hold your breath. Alright, so we got that oven in the unit. We got that oven in the new joint. That's the house it was at. I was pulling up here and I saw it right over here, and I'm like, that looks like something steel. Buried in that snow. So, all right, we're gonna go see Mama now. I'm gonna take off to Greenfield, go see Mama. She ain't feeling too well today. I gotta get you in the pocket. Hold on. We need 2 hands on top. See a little Romex in there. We got a little bit more to add to the pile. Just a little bit more. Well, we found a few more wires. There's another dumpy right there. Look at that. All over the place. Look. We found a few more wires. We found a little bit of copper. I didn't film it. There's my little pile. We shoveled out the snow. I know it was some weight to the back end, but we went ahead and shoveled it out just in case we come into some big things. Yeah, just in case we run into some big things, it'll make it easier to get it in the truck itself. So we went ahead and shoveled it out. I know that was some weight to keep the back end from sliding, but man, it wasn't a whole lot of weight. It wasn't a whole lot, so ain't gonna matter. So now we're gonna shoot right back down East Washington, hit a couple more dumpsters I saw on the way in. So hopefully we can find some more of this good copper wire. I'm not really down for stripping it, but it is going to make us some money. It's going to make us more money. So, and I'm going to have some time today to go ahead and strip it. So we'll see how much we got. I don't have a whole lot, so I definitely got a lot more than this. I'll show you when we get home. Kappa.
Wow, Mick, sit. Wow. That's a good pussy.